Want to form an LLC in Colorado without the headache and hidden costs? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, and share a pro tip that most founders miss at the end. I'm Bobby Casey, founder of BusinessAnywhere. I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs from all over the globe set up US LLCs remotely, including in Colorado, so you don't have to guess your way through the process. Here's what we'll cover: picking a name, appointing your registered agent, filing the articles of organization, drafting your operating agreement, getting your EIN, meeting Colorado's compliance requirements, and a tip near the end to simplify all of this using our service. Let's dive in. All right, first things first, your name. In Colorado, your name must include a designation like LLC, limited liability company, or similar. It also has to be different from any business name already registered in the state. You can check name availability for free on the Colorado Secretary of State's website. If your name is available but you're not ready to file yet, you can reserve it for 120 days for a $25 fee. Next up, you'll need a registered agent. This is someone with a physical address in Colorado who's available during business hours to receive legal documents. You can do this yourself if you live in state, but keep in mind, your address goes public and you'll need to be reliably available. That's why most entrepreneurs go with a professional service. They protect your privacy, send automated reminders, and make sure you never miss a filing. BusinessAnywhere includes registered agent service in all of our LLC packages. More on that in a minute. Now, it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization online. Colorado makes this simple. You'll just need your LLC name, your principal office address, your registered agent's details, and whether your LLC is member-managed or manager-managed. The filing fee is just $50, one of the lowest in the US. Even though Colorado doesn't legally require it, you should still write up an operating agreement. This outlines ownership, how decisions are made, how profits are split, and what happens if a member leaves. It's especially useful for single-member LLCs to keep your personal and business finances clearly separated. Once that's done, go get your EIN, your Federal Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. It's free, and you'll need it to open a US bank account or hire employees. Depending on what kind of business you're running, you might also need to register for state taxes or local business licenses. For example, if you sell products, you'll need to register for sales tax with the Colorado Department of Revenue. Make sure to check city and county rules too. And here's where most people drop the ball: compliance. Colorado requires every LLC to file a periodic report once a year to stay active. The filing fee is $25. Miss this deadline, and your business could fall out of good standing or even be dissolved. Also, if you ever change your registered agent, principal address, or company structure, you need to file an amendment right away. Staying compliant keeps your legal protections intact. Here's a quick tip. All these moving parts, filings, deadlines, compliance tasks, can pile up fast. That's why we built BusinessAnywhere, to simplify everything for founders like you. We'll register your Colorado LLC for free. You only pay the $50 state fee. We also include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost. That's something most providers charge extra for. Take Luis, for example, a digital nomad in Spain who wanted to start a US SaaS company. He chose Colorado for the low fees and fully online setup. We handled everything for him in under 10 minutes, and now he's expanding into Texas, which we're also helping with. Let's do a quick recap. To start your LLC in Colorado, choose a name, appoint your registered agent, file the Articles of Organization, draft your operating agreement, get your EIN, register for any state or local licenses, and file your annual report on time. If you want expert help setting this up without lifting a finger, check out Business Anywhere. We've helped thousands of founders launch US businesses remotely and stress-free. Thinking about forming your LLC in Colorado? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what kind of business you're building.